Asset Management Team role. The Asset Management Team is a role that comes pre-configured as part of the Assets module. This means that users within the system can be assigned to the Asset Management Team group. As a result, any tasks assigned to the Asset Management Team will appear in the My Tasks or My Tasks All view in the tasks list for that user. This allows the Asset Management Team to easily have visibility of all their tasks, and anyone within the team can pick up the tasks as they come in. Adding a user to the Asset Management Team. To add a user to the Asset Management Team, follow these steps. Navigate to the Users and Groups table by clicking System, Settings, then Users and Groups. Select the users you want to add to the Asset Management Team, then click Add Principals to Group, then click Asset Management Team. Removing a user from the Asset Management Team. To remove a user from the Asset Management Team, follow these steps. Navigate to the Users and Groups table by clicking System, Settings, then Users and Groups. Select the Asset Management Team group. Navigate to the Members tab. Select the users you want to remove from the Asset Management Team, then click Remove Principals from Group.